Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel is Cooking Mom. And today I'm gonna make some banana bread. You're gonna need some bananas, some ripe bananas. I have like 4 in there. You're gonna need some flour, all-purpose flour, some baking soda, and you're gonna need some eggs. You can't see it too good. You're gonna need some baking soda. And I got some spray for my pan. You're going to need a bread, well, I've got a smaller pan. I'll probably get 2 of them. I think I got 2 of them. You don't need bacon. Anyway, let me start this again. Alright, you're going to need some bananas. I got 4 in there. You're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need a stick of butter, and it's softened. I had it at room temperature. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and you're going to need a cup of sugar, and I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla flavor in there, and that'll be it. So, let me get my thing set up, and we'll go from there. Oh, if you're new to my channel is Cooking Mom. If you hadn't subscribed, if you like my videos, maybe go on there and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Alright, I'm going to mash my bananas up first. And then we'll put the rest of the stuff in there. And they had just turned dark a couple days ago. But they're not all black like sometimes they are. So, but this is fine. Because I don't like them when they get so real ripe. So, anyway, I'm going to take my butter. And I'm just going to mix my butter up in that. And get it off of there. Clean up my mess. I'm making a mess. I'm just going to mix that butter in with those bananas good. Add my sugar. Kind of mixing all this in with the bananas to start with. And then I'll put my eggs and my flour in, and my baking soda. I use about a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. And then I'm going to put my eggs in. Probably should have mixed the butter and the eggs together, but it don't matter. It's all going to mix up anyway. That's the way I look at it. And then we'll add that flour in last. We got to do some baking soda in there. We got to have a teaspoon of baking soda. And all we like is the flour. I'm going to have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Let's hope this is 2 cups. I've got a piece of bag left. Okay, that was a cup. I think we're going to make it. This is the way you really cook. Take your bag of flour and throw it in the measuring cup. I gotta put a little bit more, not quite. Okay, that's a good cup. All right, I'm gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna mix it up. I'm making this for my daughter-in-law. She's one of those heroes. She's a nurse, so I hope she likes banana bread. So, and she probably will. Well, let's mix it up. That's all you do. Just, you don't even have to have a mixer with this. Use your fork and your arm muscles. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to get the pans ready, and I'll come back. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon flavor. And that's already got sugar mixed in it. It's just a little bit. So give it a little more flavor. Alright, now get my pan ready. I don't know. Well, I know what I'll do. I'm gonna cook that for her. I got this other little small thing. I'll do it so I can taste it. Okay, I got this little small thing. I'm gonna spray it. This will be my so we can see what it tastes like. This will be my taste tester. So we'll have a loaf and a little piece of loaf. I'll get my spatula and I'll get this out the pan. Okay, I got my spatula, so we got my little one. And I got a little bit more in the pan, so we're gonna fill it full. Maybe to have room to rise a little bit more than that one. Okay, now, all right, we're gonna bake this on 350 for like 30 to 45 minutes till it gets done. And I'll put it in the oven and I'll come back. All right, here is my banana bread. I got the little one cooked and I got the bigger one cooked. It took longer on the big one. It's like the middle didn't want to get done good, so I took a piece of Reynolds wrap and put over the top of it, and it finished cooking that. So I cooked it a good 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So everybody's oven's not the same, so you'll just have to check your oven and, you know, watch it and make sure it don't burn or whatever. But anyway, let me get me a knife and I'll cut this little one. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a little piece off the edge, and that's what it looks like inside. It's very good. I'm not crazy about banana bread, but like I said, it's good and it's moist. And I'm gonna take that one to my daughter-in-law. So, and she can take it to work if she wants to and share it with the other ones out there. I said she works in the hospital, so. Anyway, like I said, I hope you like my videos. Go on there and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.